Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a real treat for you. We're going to show you how to make mouth-watering beef biryani. It's a flavorful and aromatic dish that will satisfy your cravings. So, let's get started. To make this fantastic beef biryani, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 pound, 450 grams, of beef, cubed. 2 cups of basmati rice. 2 onions, thinly sliced. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 3-4 green chilies, sliced. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. 4-5 cloves. 2-3 green cardamom pods. 1-inch cinnamon stick. 1 bay leaf. A pinch of saffron strands. 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Salt to taste. Ghee, clarified butter, for cooking. First, let's marinate the beef. Add the beef cubes, ginger garlic paste, plain yogurt, garam masala, and a pinch of salt in a mixing bowl. Mix it all together and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let's prepare the basmati rice. Rinse the rice thoroughly and soak it in water for about 30 minutes. Then, cook the rice until it's about 70% done. Now, let's start cooking our beef biryani. Heat some ghee in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add the cumin seeds, cloves, green cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and bay leaf. Sauté for a minute until they release their aroma. Next, add the thinly sliced onions and cook them until they become golden brown and crispy. This might take around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the onions are ready, add the sliced green chilies and the marinated beef. Cook the beef until it's browned on all sides. Now, it's time to add our spices. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir everything well to coat the beef evenly with the spices. After a few minutes, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook until they soften and the oil starts to separate from the mixture. With the beef mixture ready, it's time to layer our biryani. Take a layer of the partially cooked basmati rice and spread it over the beef. Repeat the process until all the rice is used. To give our biryani a beautiful color and aroma, we have some saffron strands here. Mix them with warm milk and drizzle it over the rice. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, reduce the heat to low, and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. This will allow the flavors to melt and the rice to finish cooking. And there you have it, a delectable beef biryani ready to be served. The aroma is amazing. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and you're all set. This is perfect for special occasions or when you're craving something truly special. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this beef biryani recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to leave your comments and share your biryani experiences with us. We'll see you next time.